Hi, I'm Mike Brews, Chairman of the AMUSA, which is the Marine Division of SAIE. We're pleased to be hosting IUMI's major conference this year in Cape Town in September, and as part of the Organising Committee, looking forward to hosting a lot of our local market representatives there. IUMI will be held on African soil for the first time in 144 years, and we're excited to be hosting in the region of 700 conference delegates from representing countries and companies from around the world. The theme for this year's conference is Managing Emerging Risks and Exposures, Think the Unthinkable. And keeping in line with those topics, the various technical committees will be presenting a number of papers exposing the risks that we're looking at today. From cyber risks, including unmanned vessels and managing cargo risks and monitoring the risks that cargoes are facing from a vantage point that we've never had before, to looking at changes in weather patterns and the risks that we're exposed to there. There are a number of technical committees that are involved in IUMI. Some include big commercial hull, local fishing vessels, pleasure craft, and of course the cargo technical committees. We also look at political risks and the policies that international communities are looking at, from fishing and illegal fishing in some areas, to the way we're managing the fire risks and losses that the world is exposed to when you have major vessels with thousands and thousands of containers on board catching fire in some very strategic areas. As the host country, South Africa, we're obviously bringing a focus of the African risks into a highlight for this conference, including infrastructure from our local road and rail systems to the port operations in local and neighbouring countries and throughout Southern Africa and Africa as a whole. A lot of our delegates have not really had much exposure to the African continent. Some have visited South Africa in the past, either through holidays or some business deals, but most haven't even been anywhere near the African continent. And through some of the lectures that will be presented, a lot of that exposure and the exposure that we are facing in day-to-day business in South Africa will be highlighted through the papers given as well as statistics offered at the conference. Hopefully we'll be able to see some of our local underwriters attend the conference and be exposed to some of these international events and international networking opportunities that we're not often exposed to and do not often have the opportunity to attend. There will be in the region of 700 delegates attending with a variety of backgrounds, from reinsurance to direct insurance, as well as some surveyors and assessors that deal with our risks on a worldwide basis. This enables us to create relationships and develop opportunities to do business with countries and people and companies that we've never had the opportunity to deal with in the past. And hopefully that exposure to some of our younger and up-and-coming underwriters in our market will also help them develop and bring more interest into our market and develop skills and knowledge and a willingness to be part of our market going forward. For more information, please visit our website, www.iumi2018.com. All the information for sponsorship programs as well as registration and hotels is available there.